What's going on, guys? So we made it to the campsite, right? We made it to Sabo Falls. Or Sabo Beach. Sabo Beach, Sabo Falls. Sabo Beach? Sabo Falls? Eating the marshmallow. Can't even see your weight. Wait, hold on. We'll adjust later. We're in a dark car, even though this window's not even tinted. But you guys trying to park, so we're trying to leave, trying to go to the beach, even though the weather's shitty. It's raining like a motherfucker. And tomorrow's gonna be nice though. Tomorrow's gonna be decent. Decent, not nice, decent. I hope you can see me. No, I'm alright, thanks. Hold on, put that by your face so they can see. What's the size of that marshmallow? Thank you.
What the fuck?
So we're at the beach. As you can see, there's the beach parked up. Look at that back there. It's crazy. We're out here. But I'm gonna walk into the water, see how cold it is. How cold do you think it is? Go in. Is it bad? Is it bad?
It's ice cold.
Ice cold? Holy shit.
Go more.
There's no getting used to that.
How was it?
That shit's cold. So now we're gonna go drive around on the other side of the beach, which is over there. This is the only place I know that they let you park on the beach with their cars. Surprisingly, because there could be oil leaks and shit. I hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, so we're gonna take a tour of the other side of the beach. Hopefully we don't get stuck. So we're on the beach now. Look straight ahead. Put your seatbelt on. So we can drift, because why not? Go into the water.
Shit.
It's not my fault. This is the only place that they allow cars on the beach, which is kind of scary for me, to be honest.
Are you going live?
Oh shit.
I'm sorry, my recording skills are shit.
The police also does come on the beach to check, so I don't know, it's weird. I don't know why they allow this. And look at all these houses being, there's a house being built right there. This house is all along the beach. It's kind of weird. Nah,
You're gonna get stuck.
It's lit. Not even that bad. We made it to the Tobermory. Oh, we're here. It was like another. How long was the drive? Like 40 minutes, no? Look at her. It was like a 40-minute drive to get here. But we made it. Came in Mustang, so it was quick, you know? Water's clear as hell. You can swim under the boat with no problem. Look at the view. Crazy. You're down. Long way. Look at this. That Tobermory water. People scuba diving right there. Better get back into my grassroots. Water's super clear. You have this spot right here. So scenic. There's a blackberry lah. The blackberry right there. He's just chilling.
Okay, el oso Gil sí cobra por. Sácale tu máquina, Martín. Acércate, anda.
Should I run?
Anda, un picho, dale.
Ready? Let's go. Check out some stores, I guess.
No te atrevas.
Ah, ¿por qué estás viendo el coso?
Estoy mirando. Tú dices que yo no tengo ojo en la espalda. A castle. If it works. It's not gonna work. Make a walkway. Look at that. Let's smell some cocaine. Hold on. Who wants a line? There's your line right there. Va a pegar el auto a mí. Por favor. ¡Da! Alberto, dice algo.
Está grabando.
Oh shit. Rondia. Así, ¿no? ¿Estás riéndote?
What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong?
The fucking starting wand isn't charged. Well, it was charged, but I don't know what the fuck. Maybe because it was pressed the entire time in the car or truck, I don't know. It's dead now. We're leaving now. I'm done camping. Yesterday my camera died, so it didn't record that much, but we're leaving.
Hey, I heard I had some heat dishes. Whoever feeling hot, that AR got a heat sensor. Cuz said don't entertain them hungry niggas.
Just a scumbag. He's like, you owe me $50 for gas. I'm like, yo, you owe me money. What are you talking about? Scumbags. What's up? What's going on, guys? It's me again. So, I got some in the mail. That I ordered around a month and a half ago. I'll show you guys. I thought the color would be the same, but it's not, which kind of sucks, but fuck it. If I don't like it, I'll take it off. Or maybe not, we'll see. So I got raised valve stems. Focus. There we go. Don't look at my crusty ass nose. But we got these. And as you can probably see, the color does not match. Kinda sucks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Rear shit just pokes out right there. I don't even know if it's gonna fit, to be honest. Cause look at the wheel. If they don't fit, fuck it. I'm gonna vacuum my car inside because it's really dirty. I haven't vacuumed in a long time. I was gonna wash it too, cause focus. There you go. As you can see, super dirty, but this weekend's gonna rain. And in other news, I got tires. I ordered tires for my car because they're kind of worn out right here and the other side too. And not only that, but they rub like a motherfudger. right here, as you can probably see, maybe not, and it took off all my paint right here, which sucks. But I ordered, as you can see, it's a 205, 50, 16. I ordered a 165, 45, 16. So I'm gonna be stretched. I'm gonna be a stretch boy. Kind of sad these valve stems don't match, but I mean the camera they're alright. So yeah, I ordered my tires. My tires are coming in. They already shipped. I got the plug on this place. I think it's called Ow Motorsports. Let me check. Hold on. Let me just check. Make sure this has no information in mine. Oh, it does. Okay, let me just cover this. So right there, outside Auto Sports. Now, is that supposed to be outside? AW side Auto Sports. As you can see, 49 Kang NS 165 45 16 summer tire. My address, and then yeah, they're the plugs. They had 36 in stock. They're the only place in Canada that I can find that had those in stock. I was looking for a 165 40 16, but I was kind of scared that it was gonna be too thin. I was gonna but when I hit a power, I was gonna bend my rims. So I got a 45 instead. But I'm gonna vacuum up my car right now because it's dirty as hell. And yeah, peace. I almost forgot too. I have H1s. I believe these are H1s. I have H1s and LEDs, and I have H11s. I believe they are. Yeah, H11s and LEDs. If you want them, share the video. Share the video, and then somehow send me a screenshot that you shared the video. Maybe I'll put my Instagram in here, just so you guys can DM me or some shit. I don't know. We'll see. But send me a screenshot that you shared it. And I will give you whichever one you need, basically. What if someone takes it, someone takes it. Okay, first come, first serve. I'm giving those away. If you want them, share the video, send me a screenshot that you shared it, and DM me on Instagram, and you will get either or. We have a bonfire in the backyard, and a neighbor called the fire department. Let's see what happens. And there they go. Sube la mierda. Just called the fire department because there's a bonfire, and they just fucking left. Vinieron y se fueron. Dijo, I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. But 2 fire trucks passed the other way, and fire SUV passed, and I don't know if you can hear it or not, but this is you just have no sé, mira, te escucha. You just have a bonfire, and there is fire trucks everywhere.